is Pondboy. Been pond hopping. It's cold. It's December. Oh, it's not cold for December. It's 46 degrees. And we're crappie fishing. Right now I'm using a jig with a plastic that JC Crappie's uncle got from Japan. And they work great. They're like a little bit bigger than a mini mite. So I'm just using this weighted float and cast against this wind as far as I can. About 3.5 feet down. There's a light stretch. You probably can't see it on video. There is no weeds, and then there's weeds out past there. The waves are doing a lot of the work for us, which is the good part. Bad part is you got waves in your face. It's a good 75-yard cast we gotta make. Get over the shallow stuff. And then I'm just giving it a little twitch here and there, but the waves are moving that thing pretty good. The smaller micro and finesse plastics, especially the little ice plastics like little atoms, they move just in the waves. That's all it takes. When we're ice fishing them, all we do is tap our rods to get the tails moving. So the waves is good for our plastics. Only light bait I have with me is spikes. I'm not even using it right now. So we're on them now. I would have thought yesterday being sunny and 50, I mean I caught fish yesterday, but I've already done better here than I did at all the ponds I hopped to yesterday. Where were these when we were in our yaks? You want one? It could be the glow that's making the difference. Thanks for getting my butt out of bed. Yeah, but I caught fish right where you're casting. That's a good fish. The only reason these fish are any good is because it's catch and release, you know? Given a chance to grow. The whole county lakes where you can get fish like this in kind of one hand. I like down south where they're like, oh, I got a little one. It's like 11 inches, you know? You know, this is about the exact same conditions that when we were hitting them last year. It's December, it was cloudy. Oh, I lost it. A little wet out. There you go. Dark that one is. So you still throwing the white twister tail on a jig? Same plastic. Oh, a lake fork shad? Okay, like a gulp. It's like the gulps? Okay. nice one. Oh, that's a really nice crappie. Same jig head? Yeah, we're on up the, whoa. Yeah, it's gotta be. Yeah, this thing ain't messing around. It's gotta be a bass. Look at this. That's a crappie. I'm getting a graphite on my wall. Got a hold of it with my left. Yeah, it's a beautiful bass. Whoa, that thing is really nice, dude. Look at that thing. Try to pick it up with my left. Holy crap. That little tiny ice jig. Wow. Sure. Feels heavy. It's another really nice bass. Yeah. Got on a tube, a crappie tube. Stay on. Oh, this fish is nice. Don't lose it, Dan. Thanks. Yeah. Thank you. GC!
Portions of this video were recorded with Pivot Head Video Recording Eyewear, the 2012 Gear of the Year.
I'm fishing the lake so blue, come and join my crew. You could be catch of the day at DuPageAngler.com. That's a wrap!